Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit photos like a pro for your designs and all, and for your pics for posting and all. So we are going to be downloading some set of apps, which is Snapseed and Lightroom. So let's head over to our Play Store. So you go to your Play Store, click on it, and then so I already have these apps installed. So if you don't have it, this is Lightroom, which let's search for it so you can see. Search for Lightroom, click on it. Now this is it. I already have it installed. So if you don't have it installed on your phone, you click on install, then it will install and then you can open it. Now the second app, which is Snapseed. So this is Snapseed. So we'll go over. So I already have Snapseed 2 installed on my phone, so which is very cool. So all we need to do now is to head over to the app. So I think we'll be starting with Snapseed. Now to make your photo very sharp, very qualitative, that kind of texture, kind of sharpy edge, something like grains, something like that. To make it very much like that, just head over to your Snapseed, click on it. This is my Snapseed. Now to show you this plus icon, all you need to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, now look for the picture that you want to edit. Your picture can be in PNG format or in normal picture format. So let's look for one so you can see. So let's look for one. I think let me check here. So I'm going to be using this this lady's picture over here. And so now you can, as I selected the picture, you see it has bring me here. You can choose to use different styles over here to see how it looks like. So you see pop? Let's check pop. Can you see the difference? Let's check accentuate. Can you see the difference? So but we're not going to be using that. We're going to be using the current normal speed. So what is next is that, okay, let me off my data to avoid unnecessary noise. So what is next is that we'll go over to click on the check mark here and go over to our tools to make it very sharp. Now go to details and play with it. Now all you need to do is just slide your screen like this to see it. Can you see the difference? Now this is one. Now slide up again. You see that's show me sharpening. Now you can, if you slide down is structure, if you slide up is sharpening. So sharpening, let's click on sharpening. So can you see? Let's try it out. Let's slide. You see? Can you see the difference now? Or can you see? Look how sharp it looks like. So let's click on the check mark. Bam. Now to see the difference between the old one and the new one, let's see. This is how it was before, and this is how it looks like now. So when you are done, you click on export. Click on export here and then export it like this. You see it has export. Now you can view it. Now let's do one more settings to it. Let's go to our tools and then go to our tune image, and then we are there. So we can decide to increase the brightness a little bit or decrease it a little bit. So I think we should just increase it a little bit. Now can you see? Just play around with it. It is very sweet. Now the contrast, play around with it. Now can you see? By giving it and making it beautiful, just slide up again, go to saturation and then check it out to see. Make it a little bit saturated, let it not be much. Can you see? Now you can check the difference now. Okay, so now let's move to another one, the ambience. So let's check it out to see. Can you see? When you overdo it, you spoil it. So let's keep it simple. Can you see? Wow, this is getting beautiful. So So let's go to our highlights. So now let's check out the highlights. Can you see? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So just go over it, take your time and do it, enjoy the process. Can you see? Oh god, this is so beautiful. So let's go to the last one, which is the warmth. You can decide to play with it and kind of reduce the I think this is very cool. Once you are done, once you're satisfied with it, just click on the check mark and export it like this, and voila, you are good. So the next one is the Lightroom. So we are going to be going over to our Lightroom to see how it goes. So I'll click on my Lightroom and wait for it to load. So now we are going to be using another image here on Lightroom. So let's select. Once you open your Lightroom, it's going to show you this. So and we are good to go. So let's look for an image that we can use for this. Okay, let's use Messi Chinwo's photo. So let's click on it now. Voila, that's load. So let's just go, let's do it by ourselves. So now we can decide to use presets and do some kind of things to it, the curves, the sharpening. Let's head over to sharpening. Let's see AV. Can you see? Now it's very cool. Let's click on the check mark. It's very cool. So let's go back to presets again. Let's go back. Let's go to okay, let's see. I think the color is okay. We only need to sharpen the image. So let's head over to this place and click on our details. Let's go to our details now. We're there. So now this sharpening, this slider here is what we are going to increase to sharpen it very well. So can you see? Let's do it so you can see. Now can you see we have sharpened it? We're making it look very popish. Can you see? So let's play with it. Let's play with it a little bit. Can you see? But it's getting too much, so you need to reduce it. So you can just play around with it, make it to your own taste, and honestly you will like it. So let's check out another place, the noise. You can decide to add noise, but I think yeah, you can reduce the noise. Yeah, this is cool. This is perfect. I like this. So let's head over to our effects. So the texture, so you can play with the texture too, and the clarity and the DAs. Let's try it out so you can see the texture. So now can you see? Oh my god, this is getting so fantastic and interesting. So just play around with it, and then you just get your you make your picture pop, you make your designs pop. Can you see? Let's play around with it. Can you see the clarity too? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Let's play with the DAs too, the DAs. Okay, now can you see? This is getting interesting. This is interesting. So now we can decide to vignette it to make it kind of look another let's try it out so you can see it. Can you see? Now let's do it like this. I think like this is much more better. Now can you see? Let's watch it. Can you see? Can you see the difference? This is the difference. Now this is the former one, and this is the recent one. Can you see? So now when you are done, all you need to do is just head over to these three dots here and click on save copy to device. You can save copy to device. Now let's save it. Now voila, see, that's it for editing your picture. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.